people.
Wait. Look. Let me say it one time, man.
One time.
I said Malik. Who the fuck is Malik? Crack his ass, cock his ass, cook his ass like ground beef. What the fuck is wrong with niggas? They don't want this rap beef. Niggas ain't really counting, they ain't really count shit. What the fuck is wrong with niggas? I be wearing Robin shit. What the fuck is wrong with niggas? They be hating on the clip. What is wrong with Remy Time? My rhymes this week. And you know I cook it up like stew and I be in the heat. What you mean I be up in the heat? Your bitch she in the sheets. What the fuck is wrong with niggas sneak dissing about me? What the fuck you wanna see some rolls? You wanna see some G's? I be counting G's, popping double G's. You go see me. What you mean on TV? I be counting rolls. You just wanna see me. I be wearing designer clothes. Y'all niggas don't be wearing nothing. Boy, don't play with me. You broke up and disgusting. What you mean? Boy, don't play with me. Don't ever try to do a rap beat. And you know how I be coming. Robbins, they cost fat. Louis, that cost 8. Bombers, they cost bands. What the fuck is wrong with me? Got your bitch in the trance. What the fuck is wrong with you? Got your bitch in the trance. And we got them fucking shooters. And my niggas never snake me. What the fuck? All my niggas is one. We can rotate to one. We don't share a fucking gun. What the fuck is wrong with niggas? They just be rapping for fun. What the fuck, boy? Don't ever try to diss me behind my back. Cause I got 3 eyes. I'ma always hear that. What the fuck is wrong with niggas? They be ain't shooting facts. What the fuck is wrong with niggas? I be like they shooting whack. What the fuck? What the fuck you tryna do me? Boy, you can't do me. Can't duplicate me. Boy, you just too fake. What the fuck? I don't do that rap shit. What the fuck? You don't get that ticket. What the fuck wrong with these pussies, nigga? What you mean? I get that thing on. And you just be talking shit.
Gang.
I ain't got nothing to say, man. Ain't no rap beat, man. I'm just biting niggas, man. What's wrong with niggas, man? Who is a Malik?